guys today. Got a sponsorship here that I was going to share with you guys. I'm going to do a little unboxing video. Some of you guys might have heard of this brand, Maxspeedingrods. So we're going to take a look at their suspension today, and we're going to see they sent us one of their top tier products for a race project that we're doing. We're doing an autocross car, and I'm going to be in collaboration with one of my coworkers, Jay, and he's going to be actually installing this on the Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS and running it in autocross. So we're going to do a little unboxing video for you guys, and we're going to see how these things do. So I don't normally run this type of coilover on my stuff, but they look pretty promising. So I'm curious to see how these do, and we'll see what old Bosco here thinks. Bosco's going to help me unbox them. So let's take a look and see what we got. Oops. Edit that out. So it comes with a little instruction book. Got a little badge, stick-on badge there. Oh, there you go. It comes with coilover wrenches to adjust them, and some Allen wrenches, which that's actually sweet. That's good. And they're all packaged nicely. This looks like the rear. Or no, this is the front. So this is one of the fronts here. Let's see if I can get this table here. Let's see what the rears. This is one of the rears. All right. So first impressions, I've had a lot of coilovers on my car over the years. I've used everything from Teen, BC, Olin's. I've used a lot of coilovers. So for the Subaru out there, I've used probably just about every coilover that exists except for these. So you can see here, they've got their logo on the bottom. Got the Maxspeedingrods. These are the T7s. My first impression on these is actually, these look really nice. The quality of the threads looks really nice. They got nice adjusters on them. These are ride height adjustable and preload separate independently, which is what you want in a coilover, because then you can adjust the ride height of the car without affecting the preload on the coil spring. What do you think, buddy? Yeah, you like them? Bosco seems to like them. The top hats, see here. So the top hats are very nice. They're machined super nice, high quality. They got adjusters on the top, and the clicks feel good. And these are really nice. They look good. I'm very impressed. So dust boots on there. Dust boots look good. Pillow ball feels nice and tight. So the pillow ball mounts on top feel really good. So yeah, I'm very curious to see how these are going to perform on the autocross car, because my first impression is these are very nice coilovers actually. They honestly feel better than BC's. These are the fronts. So the fronts have camber adjustment plates on the top, so we can adjust camber on the front. And they're actually, they give you right and left marked on top, which is nice. A lot of coilovers don't do that, so you have to guess and figure out where they go. But yeah, I mean, you can even see here, they've got little Teflon little Teflon ring right there. What that's gonna do is make less noise, so the spring's not gonna squeak and make popping sounds like most coilovers do. They've got them on the top and the bottom. Yeah, on both of them, front and rear, I just noticed that. That's really good stuff. I've used a lot of high-end coilovers that don't have that. So really cool stuff there. Yeah, these look really good. I'm curious now. You know, with suspension, you know, I have my doubts. There's a lot of suspension out there that's not very good, but so far this feels really good. I like what I'm seeing here. And then we've got, so basically this kit right here is going to help us adjust the coilovers. So they give us 2 wrenches. These right here are going to adjust the collars for the preload and the ride height. And then we've got these little Allen wrenches, which are going to be, we've got for the top Allens here for the camber adjustment, and then also to take these knobs off at some point if you ever want to. So, but yeah, I mean, the threads are machined really nice, super smooth. That's awesome. Yeah, so first impressions are very good. Jay's going to be installing these on the car, so he's going to do a little video of the installation, and we're going to get these on the autocross car and we're going to test them, and we're going to put them through their paces and see how they stack up against the other coilovers that we have on the car. So curious to see how they do. Thank you to Maxspeedingrods for sending us these to test. But yeah, so far so good. Pretty neat. Coilovers have come a long ways since I first started this. There's just so much bad stuff out there, but these look really nice. So, all right. Well, I'm gonna put a link in the description of the video below where you guys can get these coilovers. I'm gonna also our affiliates, I think they're gonna give us a coupon code, so I'll put that down there, and you guys can go check them out. Maxspeedingrods. These guys they've been around for a little bit here. These coilovers shipped out of California, so they came really fast. I believe the company's based in California. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. So go check them out, maxspeedingrods.com.